Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to our new playlist. Hope you're all well. This is our winter project, which is a Clubman 1275 GT. This is a two-owner car. The first owner owning it for around 800 miles, and the second owner, which is the lady we purchased it off, owned this till 40,000 miles, and she garaged it, and it had been sat there for the last 27 years. As you can see, it's got a lot of its original features, including the original Dunlop de Novos, tyres and rims. It has got a couple of funny little extras on it, which is one is this, as you can see on the rear quarter, the key for the alarm. Also it has an extra of the rear windscreen wiper and washer and the sunroof. Beautiful solid car. It is a little time warp really. It's completely solid everywhere. As you see a bit of the surface rust on the top from where it has been covered in the garage. The interior is just the same as the outside really. It is like a little time warp. It is in amazing condition. As you can see, the speakers in the back wouldn't have been original. It did have an awful like stereo system thing in it added on, which have been taken out. But look at these floors. All the floors are absolutely untouched. Really good condition. Like I said, the interior. You can see behind there, look, and you can see the little switch there, which is for the rear windscreen wiper and washer. This dash is also an extra of a couple of extra little dials added in, but this is just screwed in by these tiny little grub screws here, so that'll be getting taken out. Underneath, like I say, it is completely solid. You can just see how good it has lasted. It is unbelievable to have been sat for 27 years and still in this condition. It really is. And this is why this car from new was treated with ZIEBART. This black stuff here is a rust treatment. There's a sticker. Yeah, and this is what has made it stood the test of time. This is not original. The original fuel tank, we had to swap that out because it had been left with a full tank of fuel, so it was rotten. So we'll clean that out. We have got the original tank, and that there is the washer bottle for the rear wiper. All the original battery casing, lid, cover, what you want to call it. But you can see, look at this is all original. All the arches, look how well they've lasted. And also have the original toolkit with all the bits. This wouldn't have had a spare wheel because it was Novo run flat tyres, so it wouldn't have had spare. Now this is the engine bay, which is probably the worst part about the car because obviously the ZIEBART can be put onto the engine, but it is a little bit rusty, but I've seen a lot worse and worked with a lot worse than that, so that'll be coming out and getting cleaned up and getting checked over. But it is all original in there. This is ZIEBART here as well, you see on the sides. It has all the original numbers, original matching numbers. As you can see, the FE numbers still stand on here as well. This is all the original documentation. So I've got original V5, original handbook. This is the original De Novo run flat puncture repair kit. So there you go, guys. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. There's going to be a lot more of this car coming up in the next few weeks. Hope you enjoyed.